Yesterday, Vietnam's highest peak. Today, the Valley of Cat Cat. Cat Cat is a postcard. But look closer and you'll see a living exhibit. Small, few homes, worn paths, water flowing where it always has. The culture and the people. Not invisible, not forgotten, just held in place. I've seen versions of Cat Cat elsewhere, where a culture isn't just lived, but held in place for us to watch. Native Americans, Aboriginal Australians, the Ainu of Japan. Different histories, same arrangement. Social media has compressed humanity into 15-second clips. But seeing people and knowing people are opposing truths. We photograph clothes, smiles, customs. We admire survival. But I think we forget to ask what they survived. You can't learn that from a brief smile. So how do I show people and let them remain people? Do my travels respect human dignity? I don't want to be another tourist posing with a half-naked kid in some African village. So am I taking a photo or taking a product? A photo can say 1,000 words. It can also say 1,000 things about the person taking it. That's the imbalance in travel. I don't know the answer. But that's what Pinpoints is all about. Saying what I see. And this is what I saw.